Hello everybody, my name is Margot Goles-Maciesic and you're watching sheccoTV News. This is a quick roundup of the most important natural refrigerant updates from around the world. Welcome to the first episode of 2019. The top stories this week are the implementation of a global HFC phase-down agreement and the formal adoption of HFC tax in France. The first day of 2019 kicked off to a great start, with the Kigali Amendment to the Montreal Protocol coming into effect for developed countries. Kigali is important because it aims to phase down the use of the world's fastest-growing climate pollutant, HFCs. It starts for developed countries with a 10% reduction in 2019 and delivers an 85% cut by 2036. Developing countries are not set to implement Kigali till later. Once everyone gets on board, this historic agreement will avoid an increase in global temperature. On to the next topic. France has adopted an HFC tax that will enter into force in 2021. The tax rate is planned to increase every year till 2025. Though taxes can be a pain, this French scheme will allow companies to reap tax benefits by installing systems using natural refrigerants. Companies can deduct from their taxable profit an amount equal to 40% till 2022 if they have installed systems without HFCs. Wonderful news, if only the rest of the world would follow this model. If you want to find out more about these news items, you can find the links to the articles in the description of this video. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you next week for sheccoTV News updates. Goodbye.